What's up, guys? Welcome back to my garage. Today, got this little mini bike. You've seen it before. I'm going to put some street tires on it. And then, while we're in there, we're going to use this split sprocket adapter. And we're going to go down to the 62 rear sprocket from 75. Right now, if you get on the gas on this thing, it'll dump you right off the back of it. Ask me how I know. So, go down to this 62 sprocket. Should take care of that. We're going to find out. We got 12 tooth on the front. These street tires are going to make it a little smoother on the road. So, why don't we just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I had to go to town, get some more bolts. This here's Sprocket. These are M6. I forgot the thread pitch on them. But anyways, they're M6. I got flat washers, lock washers. And while I was in town, just having to run across something else. Yep. Did it again. Got another one. Same exact thing I got. $100. $100 bill, $100 bill. Now there's 3. Once there was 2, but now there's 3. So now I don't have to take the 79cc off of this one. I just go straight to putting this 212 on that one. I don't remember if I told you already or not, but it's got Phillips flywheel, it's got a cam, ported head. I got a top plate right there for it. But that's for a future video. I need to get some of this stuff done and find somebody with some balls to race these things again. The sun coming through that window's messing it all up. hang up a sheet or something. Alright, so you want this. You want this step to face away so your sprocket is in the same spot. If you move it over, flip it over, your sprocket is going to be the thickness of this plate farther out than it was. Oh, 5mm Allen. Let's use this guy. So we get a lot. Pick them up. Lock washer, flat washer. Lock washer, flat washer. Washer's upside down. Three more times. Keep running. Got some Loctite. Carried away there. Loctite. About 60 foot-pounds up there. Oh, Harbor Freight Special. Tight enough. Close enough for the girls I date. If these don't hit the frame, if they don't, I'm putting nuts on the back. If they do, we'll cut them off with a grinder. Let me check on y'all's view here. Some caca. Gave me this for free. Need to make a little something. A little piece of flat stock. Anyways, back to the topic. Got a boat and some spacers. I did not notice yesterday that these spacers were different lengths. I have to figure out which one goes on which side. I think it goes on this side. Like I said, motor all the way back, tensioner all the way loose, then I can take my link out, see where I need to cut it, put it back together, and go from there. What am I looking for? Not there. Let's see. This. Little study hammer, and then the punch, and pointy one. So there is the marker I need. Soapstone. I need socket. Ta-da! What am I doing? Dope smoker? Damn dope smoker? Look straight to me. Alright, so now all we gotta do, tighten this chain up, tighten the motor up, engine, whatever. Same difference. I'm not going to cut them all the way down. I'm going to cut what's sticking out about in half, and then I'll still be able to get a nut on them. I believe I might have to use like a shallow nut. Anyways, might as well do that while I'm sitting here. I'll take the glasses. Make sure I'm not catching nothing on fire. Much better. Alright, so get ready to stick the box. Slide this engine up. Just here. That don't look right. Oh, this clutch is much bigger. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this we'll put this other tire in front, and this little project will be complete. Take it for a test ride. See how it is. Before it topped out way too quick. It was ridiculous. You couldn't give this thing half throttle and it's throwing you off the back of it. Had to ease into it, get up to about 10 miles an hour, and then stab it. Interested to see how these tires make it ride too. I think they are a little bit taller than the old ones, just because of the way the tire is shaped. Instead of being flat, it should make it ride a lot better on the road, more like a street bike. Should be interesting. Should be fun. Hell with that front tire. We're gonna wait. We'll just take this thing for a ride. I'll put that tire on another day. Can't find nothing lately. Final starter. High dollar starter there.